Okay, we're going to get into some slightly trickier quadratic equations involving some trinomial factorisation work, which we've done in the kind of recent past. Okay, so let's get right into it. Example 1, we're going to solve 3w squared plus 5w minus 8 equals 0 and remind ourselves of the process of factorising these. Okay, so remember it's 3 times minus 8 is minus 24. So we take the number at the front and the number at the rear and multiply them together. 3 times minus 8 is minus 24. And then it's two numbers that multiply give minus 24 and add together to give 5. Okay, so the product, first of all, is negative, and that means the signs are different. Okay, so two numbers that multiply give minus 24, add together to give plus 5. Okay, so combinations for 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 6 and 4. Okay, so which combination can add together to give 5? Well, it's definitely going to be 3 and 8 to add together to give 5, plus 8 minus 3. Okay, so remember our routine with this one, plus 8 minus 3, and this is taking the skill that we learned from factorising trinomials earlier. I'm going to drop the 3w in there and the 3w in there. Okay, do we then inspect both brackets? Can we factorise any further? The first bracket, no. There's no common factor to take out there, but we can take out a common factor of 3 from the second bracket. So we need to do that and divide through by 3. Okay, so first bracket remains 3w plus 8. 3 into 3w goes w times, and 3 into 3 goes 1 time with a minus in the middle. And look at 3w plus 8 bracket w minus 1 equals 0. So it's then 3w plus 8 equals 0, w minus 1 equals 0. 3w equals minus 8. Bring the 3 down and divide, and that will be w equals minus 8 over 3. And over here we've got w equals 1. So let's just go over that process again. Okay, 3 times minus 8 minus 24 goes up at the side. Two numbers that multiply give minus 24, add together to give plus 5. Okay, two numbers that multiply give minus 24, so the product is negative. That means the signs need to be different to get a negative result when we multiply. Okay, my combinations for 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 6 and 4. I need to find a pair to organise with plus and minus that will give me plus 5, and that's 3 and 8. Plus 8 minus 3 is plus 5. Okay, so the plus 8 goes here and the minus 3 goes here. Drop the 3w here and drop the 3w here. Okay, first bracket can't be factorised further, but I can take out a common factor here of 3. So I do so and brings that down to w and that down to 1. And then I just solve both from there. Okay, example 2. And we've got 7x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Okay, first move, 7 times minus 4, number up at the side then is minus 28. The product, the result of multiplying, is negative, so the two numbers must have different signs. Okay, then I consider my combinations, my pairs to multiply to give 28, 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 7 and 4. I need one of these pairs to fit in here and add together to give minus 3. So it's not going to be that one, and it's not going to be that one, but I can definitely get some mileage with 7 and 4. I need to organise that 7 and 4 so they add together to give minus 3. Plus 4 minus 7, let's double check it. 4 times minus 7 is minus 28, and 4 minus 7 is definitely minus 3. Okay, so bracket with a plus 4 and bracket with a minus 7. And then drop the 7x down into the two brackets. Okay, first bracket, can I factorise this one any further? And I can't, so let's write it down again. Second bracket, and can I factorise this one any further? 7x minus 7, yep, I can take out a common factor of 7. Okay, so 7x goes x times, and 7 into 7 with the minus in the middle goes minus 1. Okay, I've then got the first bracket could be 0 and the second bracket could be 0. Okay, bring the plus 4 over, 7x equals minus 4. Bring the 7 down and divide, and x will be minus 4 over 7. Over here, bring that over, change its sign, x equals 1. Final answer, x equals minus 4 over 7, x equals 1. Okay, example 3. 3x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. 3 times minus 8, number up at the side then is minus 24. Okay, so the product is negative. The two signs that got me there would need to have different signs, plus and minus. Okay, so two numbers that multiply give minus 24, add together to give minus 2. So it needs to add together to give minus 2. Okay, combinations for 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. Which pair can I use to plug in here? And we'll add together to give minus 2. Well, that's definitely going to be 4 and 6 plus 4 minus 6. 4 times minus 6 is minus 24, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Okay, so bracket plus 4 and bracket minus 6. Drop the 3x in here and the 3x in there. Okay, first bracket, look for the highest common factor. I'm not going to go any further with that one because I can't. Second bracket, what can I take from 3 and 6? Well, I can take out a common factor of 3, so let's simplify that down. 3 into 3x goes x times, minus in the middle, and 3 into 6 goes 2 times equals 0. Okay, so 3x plus 4 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. Bring the 4 over, change its sign, 3x equals minus 4, then bring the 3 down and divide. X equals minus 4 over 3, and bring that over, x equals 2, 2 results, 2 roots, final answer, x equals minus 4 over 3, x equals 2. Okay, example 4, solve 2d squared plus 9d minus 5 equals 0. Okay, 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. I'm looking for two numbers that multiply give minus 10. Product is negative, signs are different. And add together to give plus 9. Well, pairs for 10 would be 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Okay, so which pair can I use up here to add together to give plus 9? Well, it would definitely be 1 and 10 plus 10 minus 1. Okay, so plus 10 minus 1, drop 2d in here and 2d in there. Okay, first bracket, can I factorise any further? Yeah, I can take out a common factor of 2, so I'll go forward and do that. 22d is d, 2010 goes 5d plus 5, second bracket. Close inspection, but I can't factorise that one any further. Okay, so d plus 5 equals 0, or 2d minus 1 equals 0. Okay, bring that over, change its sign, d equals minus 5, bring that over, change its sign, 2d equals 1. Bring the 2 down and divide, d equals 1 over 2, final answer, d equals minus 5, d equals 1 over 2. Okay, example 5, solve 2x squared plus 11x equals 21. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. I need to make the thing equal 0. So first, very simple move. Bring the 21 across, rearrange, it becomes minus 21. I'm now on track because the thing is now equal to 0. Okay, so short step to get going. Next step, get my number up at the side. 2 times minus 21 is minus 42. Okay, so 2 times minus 21 minus 42, the product is negative, therefore the signs must be different. Okay, so combinations for 42, 1 and 42, 6 and 7, is that it? No, there's also 14 and 3 that I need to remember. Okay, so I need to use one of these pairs to go in here and add together to give 11. So will it be 1 and 42? No. 6 and 7? No. But 14 and 3? Yeah. Plus 14 minus 3. So 14 times minus 3 is minus 42, and 14 minus 3 is 11. Okay. So plus 14 minus 3. Now drop the 2x in here and drop the 2x in there. Okay, the first bracket, can I factorise it further? Yeah, from 2 and 14 I can take out a common factor 2, so I'll go ahead and do that. 22x goes x, 2014 goes 7. Second bracket, close inspection, can I take out a highest common factor? No, I can't, so I just put the bracket down again and I'm ready to solve. X plus 7 equals 0, 2x minus 3 equals 0. Okay, bring the 7 across, x equals minus 7, 2x equals 3. Okay, I then bring the 2 down and divide, which will give me x equals 3 over 2. Final answer, x equals minus 7 and x equals 3 over 2. Okay, let's try one more. Example 6. We're going to solve 3h squared minus 4h minus 15 equals 0. Okay, 3 times minus 15, take your time with that, that is minus 45. So the product is negative. The two numbers that got me there would need to have different signs. Okay, so I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to give minus 45, add together give minus 4. I know that the signs will be different. Okay, combinations for 45, 1 and 45, and I can't really go further than 5 and 9. Okay, so I need to use one of these pairs to add together give minus 4. So after some consideration, it's not going to be 1 and 45, but I can definitely make progress with 5 and 9. To add together give minus 4, that will be plus 5 and minus 9. Plus 5 minus 9. And I'm going to drop the 3h in here and the 3h in there. Okay, first bracket, can I take out a common factor from 3h and 5? I'm going to look closely at it and then decide that I can't. And then for the second one, can I take out a common factor from 3 and 9? And yes, I can. I can take out a common factor of 3, so I'll go ahead and do that. 3 into 3h goes h times, and 3 into 3 goes 3 times. Okay, then I've got 3h plus 5 equals 0, or h minus 3 equals 0. Okay, bring that across, 3h equals minus 5, and bring the 3 down and divide, and that will be h equals minus 5 over 3. And over here, bring that across, change its sign, and h equals 3. Final answer.